Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this set. If you guys would like to see it, please continue watching. So to start off, I already cut the nails down a little bit and I went ahead and primed them off camera. So I'm going to be going in with this eye gel beauty color called Pinky Promise, and it's a really pretty light pink type of color. It does have a little bit of shimmer. So I go ahead and apply a thin layer of this all over the nails. So for this set of nails, I did only do one layer of that base color. And if I could go back in time, I would definitely put a second coat. So yeah, I do recommend for this specific color going in with 2 coats of this gel polish. So here I'm going to be going in with my D&D color and Spring Leaf. It's a really pretty like neon green type of color, perfect for summer. I'm going to be putting a couple of drops of that on my mixing palette. And I'm just using this extra long liner brush. These are the perfect type of brushes for French tips, or if you like to do V-French or outlining the nail. This is a brush I definitely recommend. I believe I got this at Shein, but you could find them on Amazon or pretty much any beauty supply store that sells nail products. So as you guys can see here, I'm just getting the brush and lining the tip of the nail, just like that. And then I go on the sides and line it up again, just like that. And really with doing this, you just let the brush do pretty much all the work. You just want to make sure that you really saturate that brush and go ahead and brush or line up the sides, just like that. going in with my gel base coat by iGel Beauty. And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this on the thumb finger and the ring finger. Just because I'm going to be applying a little gold decal to them. So these are the little gold decals that I'm going to be using. They're the little Louis Vuitton symbol. And I believe I got them from AliExpress years ago. I'll see if the seller still sells them, but I don't know. Sometimes those sellers, they come and go. So I'll check, and if I find it, then I will go ahead and link it down below. After curing that, I just go ahead and sort of encapsulate it with another layer of gel base coat over that. Now we're going to be going in with rhinestones, and I'm going to be using these stones. I believe they are in size SS12 and SS16. So yeah, I'm going to be using a couple of those. These are the SS12s. And yeah, you guys will see the look that I'm going for. And to adhere these stones, I used the Gummy Jelly by Nail Couture. So with this brush, I just get a glob of the Nail Couture gel. It's pretty thick, so I get a good amount, and I just put that all over the nail and rub it around just like that. Wherever you're planning on putting stones at, you want to make sure that there's product underneath it. I was trying to figure out what type of stone design I wanted to go with, and I was struggling a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. But I think at the end it ended up coming out nice and it all fit together. I ended up wanting to go in and add some of these opal stones. So that's what I did. I just added them wherever I thought they would look nice at. now you want to take any gel top coat you have. I used the No Cleanse top coat by iGel Beauty. It's my favorite top coat. And you want to apply it over all the nails. And on these, I applied a pretty thick amount. So yeah, and then you're done. So unfortunately, I ended up losing the footage of me top coating the index fingers with the stones. So I'm sorry about that, but you just want to go ahead and top that off with some gel top coat as well. Try not to get it on the rhinestones. And this is how it should look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give me some ideas for future videos that you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye.